Hello, this is Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library, and this is my friend Mia, and welcome to Power Play. Today we're going to be making our own little worlds. They're called terrariums. See? Yeah, you like that? See, in this one I got a little turtle, and I actually made some kits to put on the library porch, so you could go and pick that up, and you'll have like all types of supplies to work with. In your kit, you'll receive a clear plastic ornament, gravel, paper animals, flowers, plants, and rocks, a cardboard circle, and patterned paper. You're also going to need scissors and hot glue, or just regular glue would work too. First, open up your clear ornament and fill one side with gravel. Then, check to see if your cardboard circle will fit on top of the gravel. You can make adjustments by adding or subtracting gravel. Or you might have to trim the circle a little bit. Once you feel that everything is well balanced, take the cardboard circle out. It's easier to decorate on a flat surface. I'm going to glue my grass pattern paper on one half of the circle. Then on the other half, I'm going to use my blue pattern paper, which is going to be the pond. Once they're glued down, turn the circle around and trim around the edge. And now I have a patterned circle. And this will be my ground. Then you're going to play around with the supplies you have and try to assemble a beautiful nature scene. You don't have to use all the supplies in the bag. We just want to give you a lot of choices. As you plan everything out, I suggest that you take the empty half of the clear ornament and test to make sure that the objects will fit in. You might want to do this a couple of times, just to make sure. You might have to trim some leaves or flowers to make everything fit. When you're confident that you have everything where you want it to be, you could start gluing everything down. Just be careful if it's hot glue. You might have noticed that the paper animals have a little bit of white at the bottom, and this is so you could fold it under, and then apply glue, and then the animal will stand. Then you could put the scene on top of the ornament half with the gravel. And then put the empty half on top and seal it in. Now you have your own terrarium to display in your room. Thank you so much for coming to Power Play. This craft was based off of the theme for this year's summer reading program, which is Tales and Tales. We're going to be learning about animals and reading wonderful wild tales all summer long, so keep a lookout for the announcement. And we'll see you again soon. Bye!